This is my elf doll that I made last year. I painted her with some watered down brown paint and added some sparkles and hair. And now Dollar Tree has the black elves that you can order online. So I ordered a pack of 4, and the color is just so vibrant and they're so pretty that I wanted to make more elf dolls this year. You get, in the 4-pack, you get 2 girls and 2 boy elves. And I have some nice sequins, ribbon. I have my needle to sew on my jingle bells to the hats, and some gemstone stickers and some more hair. So I want to get these elves together and really have them looking like dolls. So I'm starting with the red sequins ribbon, and I want to add this around the hem of the skirt just to take the outfit up a notch. The sequins ribbon is very pretty, and I'm going to apply this with hot glue. Then I decided to add the green ribbon to the waistband to give some contrast, like their uniform. And the sparkle on the sequins ribbon is just beautiful. And next for her, it's time to give her some hair. I found this piece at Sally's Beauty Supply. It's a faux bang, but I think it really looks nice on this elf. I wanted each girl elf to have different hairstyles, and I really like this on her. And now I'm getting some gemstone stickers to attach to the front so it looks like she has blinged out barrettes holding the front part of her hair back, and then, you know, she has it flowing in the back. Over time, the glue on the gemstone stickers won't hold up on this plush alone, so I decided to add a dab of hot glue underneath the stones so they will hold up. And to top off the hats, I wanted to give them all jingle bells because they can't jingle all the way with Santa if they don't have any bells. And the final touch for this little girl elf, of course she needs some earrings, so I'm going to give her some gemstone stickers so it looks like she has little diamond studs sparkling in her ears. And now it's time to move on to the little boy elf, and he'll get a nice sequins belt added to his uniform. Okay, he'll get a jingle bell to the top of his hat as well. And then a few gemstone stickers added to his collar just for a little extra sparkle, and that'll be it for him. Okay, I'm gonna do this girl and boy the exact same way I did these two with the exception of her hair. I'm gonna come back on camera when it's time to do her hair and go step by step into how I do her hair. Okay, for these two, I alternated the belt and the hemline. So the first one, she had the red hemline and the green belt. And so for her sister, I gave her the green hemline and the red belt. And the boys, I just switched. So now he has a red belt and he has a green belt. Now for the hair. This method can be used with yarn as well. I'm gonna take some Marley braiding hair, place some glue in the center, and then I'm gonna stretch the hair covering here and hold it until it's properly secured, and do this all the way down. Once the hair had been properly secured to the back of her head, I pulled a piece over the top of the ear so that once I started braiding, it would look like she had two braids on the side of her head. And with each side separated and pulled over the ear, I secured them with hot glue. Then I moved on to separating her hair into sections of 3 now that all the glue had dried so that she could have plaits on either side of her head. Once I had reached the desired length, I added the rubber bands to the end and then snipped off the rest. And then I moved to the other side, got it kind of detangled and plaited this side as well. And then I ended up adding some of the sequins ribbon to each of the braids at the end just for a little color pop. And here are all the elf dolls complete. I love how all of these turned out. They're so adorable. I definitely will be ordering more from DollarTree.com and customizing them for my nieces and nephews with their names on them. These are so cute. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more great DIYs.